B, every element of set B is in set A. For example, let's look at a set. Let's say A equals to now here you will see A has elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. B has elements 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So every element of A is there in B. Every element of A is there in B. Every element of A is there in B, but every element of B is not there in A. 8 is not there in A, isn't it? 8 is not there in A. That's why these two are not equal. तो सिर्फ एक में सब है और दूसरे में नहीं है. Doesn't work. All elements of A are there in B, but are all elements of B there in A? No. If that is the case, then the sets are not equal. The other way around also is not possible. Okay, all elements of B are there in A, but all elements of A are not there in B. Supposing this was the case, even that is not possible. Even that is not possible. Okay, because as we said, every from A has to be there in B and all from B has to be there in. It is only possible if this was, only then the two sets are equal. किसी में भी एक ज्यादा है, किसी में भी एक कम है, नहीं चलेगा. फॉर दैट मैटर इसमें 8 है और इसमें 9 है, नंबर इक्वल है. इसमें भी 8 एलिमेंट्स है, इसमें भी 8 एलिमेंट्स है, स्टिल नॉट इक्वल बिकॉज all the elements that are there in A are not there in B, and all that are there in B are not there in A. Okay. For example, let's say C is a set of all X such that X is a letter. X is a letter of word. X is a letter of the word listen. X is a letter of the word listen. Okay, so what will C be? C will be actually L, I, S, T, E, and N. This will be, and D. D is a set of all Y such that Y is a letter or is an alphabet of word silent. Of word silent. So what will D be? D will be S, comma I, comma L, comma E, comma N, comma T. Okay. Now here you will see all the alphabets that are there, or all the elements that are there in C are also there in D, and all the elements that are there in D are also there in C. The only difference is the order. The only difference is the order. In one, S comes first. In other, the S comes in between. Somewhere T comes in between. Somewhere T comes in the last. That is the only difference. The order varies. That is okay. The order can change. We can write it in a different order. That is fine. Okay. The order can change, but the elements have to be the same. S, S, I, L, L, T, T, E, E, N, N. The order has to, the order can be same. The elements have to be the same. Only then the sets are said to be equal. Is this clear? And how do we write? We say over here, A not equal to B, because this is not equal. But here you'll say, excuse me, C equals to D. C equals to D. It is written as C equals to D. Copy till here, then I will look at a couple of examples, and then today you all have to practice or solve at home exercise 1.2. Practice set 1.2 will be there for homework, so that next week when we meet for maths, of course you'll have your regular class tomorrow, but maths class will be on Monday. So when we meet on Monday, that time we will be doing Venn diagrams, subsets, and all those things. complete this. Let's look at few more examples. Try this if you can, otherwise I'll show you. We have to find out whether the sets are equal or not. Okay, that symbol, as I've said, represents less than equal to. Okay, x less than equal to 10, y less than 1 less than equal to y less than equal to 10. That is what it says. Okay, so now first step to check whether they are equal or not, like this, difficult, but if we write it in the rooster form or the list form, we will understand. X is 2n and x is greater than 0, that means it will start from 1. So 1 in place of n, I'll have to write all the values of n, which, so when n is 1, 2 into 1 will be 2. So x equals to 2 and it is lying between 10. So 2. N equals to 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 lies between this thing, yes. N equals to 3 because n belongs to natural number. So n starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. 5 2s are 10. Why 10? Because it is equal to 10. N equals to 6. 6 into 2 is 12. 12, x has to be less than 10 or equal to 10. 12 is not less than equal to 10, so it will end over here. Similarly here, b is an even number. Now even numbers start from 2. Okay, even numbers start from 2 and up to 10. 2, 4, 6, 8. You see there is an equal to sign. If this was not there, if this line was not there, then it would stop at 8. But since there is an equal to sign, y is less than equal to 10, so 10 is also acceptable. So now you will see that a and b, now you can check for the elements whether they are equal or not. All the elements are there? Yes. Same? Yes. What is there in A is there in B? Yes. What is there in B is there in A? Yes. Therefore, A and B are equal sets. Therefore, A and B are equal sets. Therefore, A and B are equal sets. Are we clear? A and B equal sets. Now, supposing C was equal to 1, 3, 5, and 7, and D is equal to 2, 3, 5, and 7. Are these equal sets? C and D, 1, 3, 5, 7, 2, 3, 5, 7. Are